What's up, guys? Dana from Russ's Ocean State Harley-Davidson. There's one of our bears on the bear hunt. There's our other bear on the bear hunt. And then today I'm outside with this 2020 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic 114. This is the big motor. In Billiard Red and Vivid Black. So all LED headlights, LED headlight and passing lights. The 114 version has the blacked out motor. So the 107 version is all chrome like the regular Heritage, and the 114 version is all blacked out. The new Heritage has these really nice hard saddlebags. They're leather wrapped ABS plastic, but they have more rigidity. So the old bags used to get kind of droopy. These new bags are lockable and they're hard bags, so they're far more functional. 6-speed cruise drive transmission, nice cat eye, the console in the front. It's got a quick disconnect windshield. The new windshields are blacked out in the bottom half on the 114 versions. Kind of gives it more of like a classic retro 50s look. Blacked out front forks, blacked out foot controls. Did a nice job with this bike. The new Heritage has this Heritage logo on the handlebar clamp. And this nice Heritage the current badge is really pretty classy. And they did away with like the silver studs that you used to have in the Heritage. Now we have these kind of black rectangular studs. So they're not quite as visible as the old studs used to be. They kind of blend in a little more. Kind of adds to the overall sleek and sleeper look of the motorcycle. So let's start this. I do have the keys. For a second I thought I forgot them. That's it, guys. So currently, during the virus and the shutdowns and everything, we're operating by appointment. So if you want to see any of our motorcycles, give us a call. We'll bring them outside here in the sunlight. We'll maintain social distancing, and we have the ability to do a full motorcycle deal and closing and everything at a distance. So you're safe, we're safe, and we can help our healthcare workers out. And you know, if you're on doing the Rhode Island bear hunt, don't forget to bring the kiddies by and check out the bears in the window. All right. So thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate it. Stay healthy, stay safe. We'll talk to you all real soon. Oh, and check out our full current inventory online at oceanstatehd.com. See you soon, guys.